good afternoon. What's going on, YouTube family? Today, I'm gonna take y'all along with me. I'm doing some preventive maintenance today on elevator 1. I checked the other one the other day. I've been recording.
Right, here we go, people. As you can see, there are a lot of doodads, diddle dads, lights, trinkets, wires. And oh yeah, don't let me forget the instructional manual. But anyway, I am very much familiar with this system here. This is just me making sure all the wires are in their proper place. Nothing is chafed. Nothing is out of line. Making sure my grounds and everything are good. And for those that don't know what this is the control board for an elevator. It's actually a hydraulic elevator. This is one of 2 elevators in this building here that is routinely checked by me. Excuse that noise. That is the air conditioning in this room here, because this particular board throws off a lot of heat. Somebody's on the elevator now. Excuse that noise. Alright. Well, that just helped me. I don't have to put it in service because I saw it switch over like it is supposed to. Still just making sure everything is pops on again. Somebody may be going down, or the hydraulic oil is cycling. Nothing is burnt on the board. Everything is good. Switch. Everything is in. L1, L2, L3. Yes, folks, I'm up close with this because it actually helps me out a lot better. I'm looking at it through my phone and with my eyes also.